Greetings. Today's topic is Jamaica is 40 hotels short from 1000% more growth than Jamaica is used to having. And today's four main points for discussions are: one, how the 40 more hotel franchises will start growing the Jamaican economy by 10 times what it has been growing by since independence. Number two, and the government who cannot demonstrate a concrete plan to grow the Jamaican economy by 10% per year over the next 10 years should not be in office. And number three, the revolutionary approach that the government could take in using the tourism industry to prepare many underprivileged youths for life ahead. And number four, how the tourism industry could be used to employ half of the 750,000 people in Jamaica who are currently not in formal employment. Now, first, let me say that by 40 hotels, I'm referring to 40 large all-inclusive hotel. Now, over the past few years, most of the hotel franchises the government has been offering is to build 1,000 to 2,000 hotel rooms, such as the one in Hanover, one in St. Anne's, and Montego Bay, etc., which are about 2,000 hotel rooms on average. Hence, what if the government offer 40 hotel franchises over the next 2 years, say for example, with each hotel rooms a capacity of 1,000, then that would be 40,000 hotel rooms. Now, and that's all it will take. That is all it will take. 40 hotels with 1,000 rooms each to transform the Jamaican economy, to change the whole growth trajectory of the Jamaican economy so that it started growing by 10 times what it has been doing since independence. Because since independence, the country has been growing by 1% per year on average. But with just 40 more hotels in Jamaica, and the country will start growing by 10 times that figure, which is 1,000% more. And that is 10% per annum for the next 10 years, 30 years, and beyond. Just for 40 hotels. Just 40 hotels. And the government will put Jamaica at the next level. And let me just explain that. So, also the government have announced several times over the last 2 to 3 years that there are 20,000 hotel rooms that are in the making, or some are in building. Some will be finishing this year. 20,000 new hotel rooms announced already. Now, the country have had 30,000 hotel rooms, say up to COVID-19, 2019. They have 30,000 hotel rooms. And with that, they have 4.3 million visitors in 2019. So, if 30,000 hotel rooms bring in 4.3 million people to Jamaica, then with 20,000 rooms announced already, plus 40,000 hotel rooms more, that would be 60,000 extra. So that would be like tripling the Jamaican hotel rooms capacity. And also tripling the amount of people who can come to Jamaica to be in the hotels. So instead of 4.3 million people, you will have 13 million people. In addition to that, about a third of people who came to Jamaica last year, visitors, they stop in Airbnb. So that'll be easily 15 million people would be in Jamaica with the extra hotel rooms. And also the the income that we earn from tourism industry is for this year, for the first 3 months of this year, they're gonna have like 1.2 million visitors. First 3 or 4 months, I can't remember. Yeah, 1.2 million visitors and 1.5 billion US dollars. So that means each visitors is spending just over 1,000 US dollars per visitor. So 15 million visitors would add to Jamaica 15 billion US dollars to the Jamaican economy. 15 million visitors, 15 billion US dollars for 15 million visitors. And that would put us on a par like with Barbados. Because I think Barbados have what, something like 300,000 people and 1.3 million visitors. So Barbados is about 6 times the population who come to us tourists each year. So Jamaica would be like 5 times the population with 15 million visitors. So put us on par with Barbados per capita or per people per visitor. And what that would mean is that with the economy growing by 10% each year, that would double our economy by 2030. From 15 billion US dollars today to 30 billion US dollars, 2030. But we need to move fast. The government needs to spend like the next 18 months, rest of this year and next year, and map out the country and see where to put the hotels. And the hotels are needed where we have unemployed people in Jamaica, because the government is focusing all the mindset on the BPO sector and the logistics hubs. But those are like niche sectors. Those sectors can't employ more than 1% of the population. So 3 million people in Jamaica, 1% is 30,000 people. So those sectors, the BPO and the logistics hub and the other niche sectors, they might employ 1% of the population. However, the tourism industry can employ 10% of the population. 10% is 300,000 people. 300,000 people can be employed in the tourism industry. And what you will be doing there is taking the people who are unskilled and just a few little 2 months or 3 months training put into the hotel industry, and they can continue training from there on. Also, the youth who left high school, they can be trained. The one who don't have the 5 CXC or whatever you call it, haven't done well, they can also be trained for the tourism sector as well. And when the youth leave high school and spend 2 to 3 years in the hotel industry, that will work on their mindset, the psychology of the mind, the communication skills. The large Jamaican youth now are being left behind. They left school, nothing to do, stay home for 2, 3 years, 5 years, and they become mentally ill. They become mentally unstable. They join bad company, they join gangs. Girls get pregnant, all that stuff. But if they could help themselves, then they would avoid that. So they can use the tourism industry to transform Jamaica in many ways while creating wealth at the same time. The same wealth that we need to build the roads, in Jamaica, and to pay our teachers and nurses well, so they stay in Jamaica and work and build a country. The government must start from the base, and the base is a mass of people. Jamaica have 750,000 people. That's a quarter of the population of Jamaica who are not in formal employment. That is 40% of the workforce not in formal employment. And that's what the government is to tackle. And the best way to do it is via the tourism industry and to put Jamaica at a different level. I'll leave my notes in the comment section below and the description below as well, so you can read my notes and follow if you don't want. I put some in the description section below and some in the comment section below, so you can follow my what I'm saying. Okay, I don't want it to be too long, so I'll just say thanks for watching this video. Support this channel. Please click on the subscribe button below, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister. God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Till my next video, peace.